Another.
Okay, so our teacher dogs and student dogs are already inside their classroom. Nakapag-flag raising ceremony na rin po tayo, which could only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay yung Budayaw, my name is Trisha. I am one of your hosts, and I'm very excited. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kapitan of Philippine Hawk Eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the local barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan is donated with a broken leg, and due to this, he can barely fly. We nurse him back to health, and usually, dito sila nakikita ng ating mga farmers while they are tending their land. Now, once again, Brian and Noah are still not the only owls we're going to be meeting this morning. Coming from my right, we also have Ina.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Ina, our Everett Scout owl. Now, I would like to ask everyone, nakikita ba ng lahat si Ina? Yan ang gustong-gusto ng ating mga kalaw. Now, let me share to you a distinct characteristic about this bird. You know what? Kalaw or hornbills has a distinct look and has a distinct sound that resonates. Napakaingay po talaga ng mga ibon na ito. As a matter of fact, our local tribes use hornbills as clump in the forest because at a certain time of the day, like 5 a.m.,
So, ganyan. Kintamad. Madaot pa siya.
Una pa siya.
ni Rookie. Sige nga nung ang second step. Doing a signature dance room, the head bang. Now, bago raw po papasok si Rookie sa classroom, Rookie would like to say to everyone,
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Now, maybe you're asking, no, paano ba raw natin malalaman kung babae o lalaki po bang isang kakatinated in our doorstep 15 years ago? And since Red is originally from Brazil, we cannot release him back in the Philippine forest. Now, of course, may mga parrots po ba na endemic dito sa Pilipinas? O dito lang po sa Pilipinas natin makikita? The answer to that
Nalilim siya. Thank you so much.
is usually common because birds are used as meteorological indicators. If there happens to be a calamity, if you see birds flying up ahead in a circular motion, that is an indicator that it is now safe to return. Please look for this kind of sign.
In every disaster, we are given a chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. And remember to
Saksak! Get a mascara. Get the butterfly. Woo!
Sige lang po.
Where's your step?
Pati ulo ka tutong.
Look here.
Ooh.
Wait lang ha. Mommy will give you two. Sige. Dala, medyo siya dala. 1, 2, 3.
Tama na, Bi.
Tama na? Tama na?
Let's go.
Wow! Oh. Wow! Oh, you got the butterfly. Dapat mo tayo lamit. Uy! Ah, another. Wait lang. For you. Careful.
Yeah, let's go.
Another. Mommy, get this one last. Uy, bantay siya, babe. Oh.
Saan tayo ba? Bunit po siya. Sarap na.
Wow. Ang imong alam yung gito. Here, oh. Here, oh. Duck, duck. Oh, you got the duck, duck. Open!
Saan natin sa likod?
Open!
Gwapo! Ay.
Wala ko na-expect na nakadako, babe. Sige. Dala, medyo siya dala. 1, 2, 3.
Tama na, Bi.
Tama na? Tama na?
Let's go.